Hi everyone, it's Gail and I'm here with a little extra bonus video. It's the March tag of the month from Piles of Paragraphs, our friend Lori there. So we are going to get busy making this little tag, and there's all sorts of fun things. There's all sorts of little bees, and there's many little scraps of paper. It is paper. I thought it was vellum for a second. And then there's this cute little bee ribbon. So all sorts of beeness going on here. So I did grab one extra thing because, of course, if you buy these tag of the month kits, you can add your own stuff to it too. I have these die cuts, and I have like a gazillion of them. I don't know. I went crazy one day, I guess. And so I thought I would use that on here too, maybe. Okay, well, let's make a tag shape first things first. So we'll just get our tag base ready. Okay. So I kind of think I think I want it kind of down the middle, but I don't want it first layer. What else should we do for, oh, isn't that pretty? Sometimes you gotta just look on the opposite sides. That's pretty too. Ooh. The possibilities are endless. Okay, I like that. And I never have a plan when I first start these, because why would you go into it with a plan? Why not just kind of wing it? What's this one? Oh yeah, that's the bee. That's important. Do not lose the bee. Oh, I like this. What if we did that one there? That one there. I'm going rogue on this one. Going rogue a little bit. And then I think I will put that there. And then this. Go there maybe. Yep. Okay. Sleeves up, glues out. Let's do this thing. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is get this one down. So, hope you're all doing well today. I am just hard at it in the old craft room, which is, you know, where I want to be anyway. So let's see here. See if we can kind of get this to the edges. I have to trim the corner anyway, so might have to trim that a little. Okay, this one needs to go like about there. So I'll cut that right there. Put that one down. I have great expectations of myself today to get so many things done. We'll see. We'll see how that turns out. Okay, I'm gonna put this one down. Here. Let's see, let me turn it a little bit so I can get to it. There we go. Good enough. Good enough. Oops. Well, that's going to get cut off anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, get that good and down. Now this one. I love this. Beautiful. So in general, because Lori gives you so many fun things to play with on these tag kits, I generally don't use it all. I end up having some scraps, which, you know, nothing makes me happier than a little scrap. I think I'll put that right there. Okay. Like that. Okay, I'm going to cut this just so I can see what I'm doing a little bit better. Okay. All right, so there's that. Okay, and then I know I want that. I'm deciding if I want to fussy cut this B out, which I think I might. Okay, let's just do it. Generally fussing and cutting it out. I'm not getting right down to it. Okay. Yep, I'm gonna put that right there. Okay. A little distressing. I may end up making 2 tags, just saying, the way this is going. I feel like I could do 2 different kind of looks from this one kit. And often I feel like Lori gives you enough stuff to do 2. Have to probably grab something for a base, but that's good. Okay, come here, you. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a little art glitter glue on this guy. I hope I'm in frame. I got a little closer. Oh, pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. I got a little closer since I was just working on a tag, so you could hopefully see better. As I said the other day, I get comments both ways, so I honestly don't know whether to zoom out or zoom in. So I just put it where I think I should and go with that. Okay. All right, so there is that. And we're gonna just go right in the middle there. Okay. Then this guy is gonna go right there. Okay, I'm super happy with that. It's real subtle. Now let's do one with our pieces we have left. Maybe, huh? Let's do that. All right, so I'm looking here for a piece of paper. 1 second. Here we go. I've got a piece of file folder. We'll make it into a tag base, okay? Okay. I'm going to cut this at about 3. Let's see. Let's do it this way. About 3. I think that's about what Lori's tags are. Okay. And I'm going to cut off this part that's foldy at the bottom. And then probably, I don't know, let's just use this as a, this has a bit of paint speckles on it, but that's okay. That's kind of interesting on that side. Let's decorate this side. Okay, tag number 2. Let's do, it's not wide enough. That is, I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, so that's about an inch down. Okay, let's, sorry, I've gotten over to the side a bit here. Spent some time this morning scrubbing off my mat. It was really bugging me. It was so gluey. I try not to make it gluey, but I still do it. Okay, cut that off in a minute. Gonna have to get some more glue under that. Didn't do that quite right. Let's get a new glue page. Okay. And this right about here. And then this, I'm going to glue on here and put this right there. Okay, do some clipping. Let's see, we'll make this a strip, because that can be used for something. I keep all my little snippets from when I do Lori's tags. Okay, and then this one. And I've got a little extra right there. Let me just snip that over my basket. Okay. I don't really have a focal point for this one, do I? Because I used my bee on here. But I'm going to put this at the top. Like that. Okay, I'm going to put that there. Like so. Do I have another? I see I have a bazillion of these. I'm wondering if I could put another one on this one, kind of. New. This brown. Ah, jeez. Oh. Ooh, I like the brown. Let's do that. I'll spend the next half hour untangling those die cuts. Oh, man. But as you can see, we're getting 2 tags out of this month, so that's fun. I was looking in my box, my project box that has all my bee themed stuff in it, and I thought, oh boy, I need to do a bee journal. definitely do. I'll have to look through my digitals and see what I have for a bee journal. I know I have Artie Maze's bee, I know, on my computer. Okay, let's do a little, let's do this first. Okay, we just about there, guys. Just about there. Do this too. I do like those little splashes of black paint. That's kind of fun. All right, then we're gonna make the ribbon so that you can see the bees in both spots, right? And we're gonna put it right there. Okay, so 2 for 1. 2 for 1 today. So all I have left is 2 little pieces of paper. This one has the honeycomb, and then this little strip, and then this teeny weeny little bee. That's all I have. I'm gonna put that I'm not gonna have the bee. I'm gonna put that right there. Just for maybe if it's gonna stick okay. There we go. Might need a little of this. Come here, you. Yeah, just a little added extra there. So 2 tiny pieces left. So thank you so much, Lori, for the March tag of the month kit. I hope you guys enjoyed making those with me. I'm going to put those in my bee box and they will be ready when I do a bee journal. So thanks everybody so much for watching. The link to piles of paragraphs on Etsy will be in the description box, and we'll just see you in the next video. Have a grateful day. Bye everyone.